Can you imagine the absolute horror of a high-speed chase, only to discover a tiny, innocent child trapped inside? Well, buckle up, because a jaw-dropping new video out of Arkansas has the internet absolutely buzzing, showcasing a near tragedy that feels ripped straight from a suspense movie. This week, we're diving deep into the unbelievably dramatic footage of 23-year-old Thalia Jones, who allegedly led Arkansas State Police on a terrifying, high-speed pursuit through Joyner, Arkansas, all while her 3-year-old son was in the back seat. According to reports, police attempted a P.I.T. maneuver, sending Jones's vehicle swerving wildly before it dramatically rolled over into a roadside ditch. The scene was pure, heart-stopping chaos, a nightmare unfolding in real time, completely captured on camera for the world to witness. But here's the truly mind-blowing twist that has everyone talking. With the car upside down and utterly mangled, Thalia somehow opened the door and her tiny 3-year-old son miraculously ran out, completely unharmed, straight into the arms of shocked state troopers. Seriously, this isn't just a police report. It's an incredible story of survival that has left viewers utterly speechless, raising so many questions about fate, reckless actions, and sheer, unbelievable luck. The raw emotion as officers comforted the bewildered child is palpable, a stark reminder of the high-stakes drama that often goes unseen. This footage offers a rare, unvarnished glimpse into a moment so shocking you won't believe it's real. What are your thoughts on this unbelievable escape? Sound off in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exclusive insights into the trending stories everyone's talking about.
From Hollywood to the world, we've got you covered. Subscribe for more.